The ruling officially found that the December 3rd martial law following former Prime Minister Han Duck-soo's trial was clearly an act of insurrection. This is expected to affect former President Yoon Suk-yeol's trial on insurrection charges scheduled for the 19th. Gil Gi-bum with more on this.
The first trial court also ruled that former Interior and Safety Minister Lee Sang-min's December 3rd martial law was an act of insurrection. The court strongly criticized it for undermining democratic values, calling the emergency a rebellion and insurrection.
As it sought to paralyze state institutions and undermine democracy's core values, severe punishment is unavoidable regardless of the objective.
Following the trial court ruling in former Prime Minister Han Duck-soo's case deeming the emergency insurrection, this case reaffirmed it.
Carried out by former President Yoon Suk-yeol and his followers, it constitutes an insurrection from above. This type of insurrection is also known as a self-coup.
As each court has ruled the martial law an act of insurrection, there are projections it will affect next week's trial of former President Yoon Suk-yeol on charges of leading an insurrection. In a phone interview with MBN, a presiding judge said that since the facts of the case are largely the same, a significantly different ruling is unlikely to emerge. Another legal expert also said that a different ruling could cause social confusion, predicting that the Jigwi-yeon panel would likely reach a similar conclusion. MBN News, Gil Gi-bum.